southeastern Texas until 6:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:28 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Aldine and is nearly stationary. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Humble, Aldine, Greater Greens Point, Bush Intercontinental Airport in East Little York, or Homestead. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.